Hello, Schenectady parents. The parent portal is a great way to stay informed about your students' attendance and grades. In our last video, we got you signed up for the portal. In this video, we'll take a quick look at what you can do with it. You can easily find the login link to the parent portal on Schenectady's website. Just go to Parents, Campus Parent Portal, and then click on Login to Parent Portal. Log in using the username and the password that you created during the registration process. If you've forgotten either one of those, you can use the Forgot Your Password link or the Forgot Your Username link. The parent portal can be displayed in 4 languages: English, Spanish, Simplified Chinese, and Traditional Chinese. You can switch the portal language at any time by choosing a language from the drop-down menu at the bottom of any portal page. When you first log in, you're brought to the Messages page of the Family area. Here you can see if there are any district announcements, school announcements for the schools attended by your children, or any messages sent directly to you. We'll talk more about these in our upcoming video about parent portal messages and notifications. Take a look at the left side of the screen. The dark bars indicate different sections of the portal: student, family, and user account. You can click on any of the subsections to see more information. If you have more than one student in school, there's a drop-down list of all your students at the top of the screen. Choose one to see more detail. You can see the student section displays now that we've chosen a student. The selected student's picture, school, student number, and grade display at the top left of the screen. In the menu bar, you can view a variety of information about the student. The calendar subsection shows when a student received an assignment grade or an attendance mark. The schedule subsection displays the student's class schedule and offers parents an easy way to email their teachers directly by clicking on the little envelope. The attendance subsection displays all of the student's attendance data for the year. And the grades subsection displays assignments and term grades. We'll dive into the different areas of the portal in future videos. I encourage you to click around and see what you can find. You can't accidentally hurt anything, so explore. We just reviewed the basics of using the parent portal. Next time, we'll dive into the attendance data in the portal. I'll talk to you soon.